All right, guys, so we're getting ready to mount the first inverter. I've got one screw up here at the elevation that I want the top mount to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this inverter up, put it in place, and then I will level it and put the opposite corner screw in, and then I'll put the other two screws in. I will say that this inverter is a lot easier to work with than its counterpart that is 6,000 watt split phase. There we go. As they say, work smarter, not harder. Get this thing right in between the bubbles there. And I'll go ahead and put my other mounting screw in. I got two more of those. So the other thing about the 6,000 watt unit is that it just has three mounting screws, or three places for screws, two on the top and one on the inside. And this has two on the inside. So a slightly different case. And then we'll go hit our top one. Try not to strip it out. And there we go. That easily, just within a couple of minutes, we've got our inverter mounted. So we're going to put the other one here. We do need to keep some space in between the two so that we get good airflow. You can see that there's a filter there for the fans. But yeah, we'll get our other one in place and then we'll start working on the connections. GoPro, stop recording.